You got me thinking about all the things you do, I just can't resist. And you know I'm feeling for different reasons. And I can't even start, you got me fiending. I can't believe it. Cause she like a song that's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, she's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, yeah. Cause she like a song that's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, she's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, yeah.
Look, hey, we've been through a whole lot of bad, but somehow we seem to always in on good time.
Alright, you guys, so this is the hair that I'm going to be using, and this is the Water Wave hair by the brand Authentic. And I'm using it in a color 1 and in 22 inches. So right now I'm just showing you guys a texture shot. And I will say that this crochet hair was actually really soft. And like if you ever wanted to separate each section, it does it so easily and so smoothly. Like this hair is super soft. So to get started, I already have my last 2 sections pretty much sectioned off. So I'm just going to go ahead and undo my twist and then perfect the part a little bit. I did not use a comb to part my hair. I just used my finger. So that's what I'm doing here. Now I'm going to go ahead and just clip the first section away so that I can get started on this braid. So of course, as always, I'm using my Shine Jam. So I'm just going to take that and kind of define the root. And I do sometimes put it on the sections around the section that I'm doing just to hold all those flyaways out of the way. But so I'm just going to go ahead and smooth that product on, and then I'm going to comb through the section. And that's just going to ensure that you get the sleekest look possible, and so that when you take your braids out, there are no tangles. So now what I'm going to do is just separate the section into 2 pieces, and then I like to kind of flatten it onto my scalp. And now I'm taking 2 pieces of the crochet here, and as you can see, I have it folded so that one side is longer than the other. Then I'm going to place them together, and it should look like this. Each side should have one long and one short piece. Then I'm going to take one more piece and place it over the middle of that section, and also make sure this piece is staggered. So now I should have 3 sections, and they all should have one long and one short side, okay? So now what I'm going to do is start my braid, and all you're going to do is go ahead and with that middle section, I'm going to attach that front piece of hair, and then I'm going to start my braid, putting my finger underneath that section. And then with the section on the left side of the screen, I'm going to attach that last section of hair, the other half of my hair. If that's confusing, feel free to slow it down, but I will have another view of it for the next braid in front. But after that, you're just going to grip it as tight as you can and continue to braid down. Now, I normally braid with my fingertips, but as you can see, my nails are super long, so that's why I chose to grip it like this time, and it still worked out pretty well. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take more Shine Jam and apply it to each section of my natural hair as necessary, just to sleek it out so that the braid is nice and shiny and smooth. And I actually really love the way the braids look with this crochet hair. They look all silky and just luscious and juicy. So I actually enjoy the way the braids look. So anyway, once you braid all the way down, as you can see, there's these 3 sections, and I don't really like the way that looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and twist at the bottom, and then I'm gonna wrap it around my finger, and that should help to kind of clump the curl together so it looks more like 1 section than 3. So I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat those same steps, and again, feel free to slow this down. There's an option on the bottom right corner of the video to slow it down so that you can see exactly what I'm doing.
The one that you was into, the one that you was into. But girl, you a blessing and I need you. I believe that God sent you. Just don't go MIA on me. If you feel like you need a leave, give it time, we'll be fine. Could you wait for me? I remember I couldn't make it for dinner, then you called out the blue just to tell me you say to play for me. Yeah, it was good, by the way. And I don't even remember saying thank you. I swear I feel like I was selfish back then, but I'm writing this now to show that I appreciate you. I swear that I appreciate you. Might have played girls in my past, but for you I'm mighty faithful. And it's been a thin line between it all. Cause if it ain't I love you, it's I hate you. Man, that shit crazy. Look back and you'll see me. And don't forget I'll be there whenever you need me. Yeah. A lot of girls on me, but I'm only on you. Cause I only want you. Quince well.
About all the things you do, I just can't resist. And you know I'm feeling for different reasons. And I can't even start, you got me fiending. I can't believe it. Cause she like a song that's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, she's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, yeah. Cause she like a song that's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, she's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, yeah. Yeah, from the first time I seen you, I knew that you was the one that I wanted. And now you my one, I got you, now I had you, my best friend, you mine. Stuck in my head, girl, you run through it all the time. But I got thotties, and you got thotties. At the end of the day, if you're sick in the hospital bed, who's there? Nobody but me. Cause I don't want nobody but you. Cause they can't handle all my actions like you. Through the ups and the downs and the downs and the ups. Never let anything come between us. They can try and say this, they can try and say that, but we both got triggers. Through the ups and the downs and the downs and the ups. Never let anything come between us. They can try and say this, they can try and say that, but we both got trust. And you got me thinking, about all the things you do, I just can't resist. And you know I'm feeling for different reasons. And I can't even start, you got me fiending. I can't believe it. Cause she like a song that's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, she's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, yeah. Cause she like a song that's stuck in my mind.
Alright, you guys, so that is going to conclude this video. You can go ahead and lay your edges down if you want. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed. Hope it was easy enough to follow. If it was helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and don't forget to click that bell notification symbol so you're notified each and every time that I upload. I absolutely am in love with this style, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching. As always, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Got me thinking about all the things you do, I just can't resist. And you know I'm feeling for different reasons. And I can't even start, you got me fiending. I can't believe it. Cause she like a song that's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, she's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, yeah. Cause she like a song that's stuck in my mind. The song that's stuck in my mind, she's stuck in my mind.